Best portable SSDs on Amazon. Whether you're looking to expand your storage capacity, secure your data on the go, or improve the speed of your file transfers, portable SSDs, solid-state drives, are a must-have for modern data needs. Unlike traditional hard drives, SSDs offer faster speeds, greater durability, and more portability, making them ideal for users who require quick, reliable access to their data from anywhere. Here we've rounded up some of the best portable SSD options available on Amazon. Each of these drives provides a fantastic blend of performance, storage space, and durability. Crucial X9 1TB Portable SSD. The Crucial X9 1TB Portable SSD is an excellent choice for users who need a reliable and fast drive for their data. With 1 TB of storage space, the X9 is capable of holding a vast library of files, from photos and videos to large project files for work. This SSD is designed with speed in mind, offering read and write speeds that are much faster than traditional hard drives. This makes transferring large files a breeze, saving you time whether you're backing up your data or moving files between devices. One of the standout features of the Crucial X9 is its sleek and compact design. This SSD is built to be both lightweight and durable, making it easy to carry in a backpack or laptop bag without taking up much space. Its durability also means it can handle everyday wear and tear, which is great for users who are always on the move. Additionally, Crucial is known for its high-quality components, so you can trust that the X9 is built to last and protect your data. Western Digital 1 TB Elements Southeast Portable SSD. The Western Digital 1 TB Elements Southeast Portable SSD is another top-tier option, delivering a solid blend of performance and storage at an affordable price. Western Digital has a long-standing reputation for reliable storage solutions, and the Elements Southeast upholds that tradition. With a 1 TB capacity, this SSD provides plenty of room for important files, media libraries, and backups, all in a compact package that you can take anywhere. What sets the Western Digital Elements Southeast apart is its impressive speed. Designed for fast transfers, it can achieve read speeds of up to 400 megabytes/, which is a significant improvement over traditional external hard drives. This is ideal for professionals or creatives who need to access or transfer large files quickly, like photographers working with high-resolution images or designers handling large project files. The Elements Southeast is also shock-resistant, giving it added durability for users who need a portable storage solution that can withstand a few bumps and scrapes. SSD 1 TB USB Drive Portable SSD. The SSD 1 TB USB Drive Portable SSD offers a unique combination of affordability, portability, and speed, making it a great choice for users who need extra storage without breaking the bank. This 1 TB SSD has ample space for all your data, from personal photos and videos to professional files and documents. With its fast read and write speeds, the SSD SSD ensures that file transfers are quick and efficient, so you can spend less time waiting and more time being productive. One of the SSD Portable SSD's standout features is its compact and sturdy design. Its small size makes it easy to carry around, fitting comfortably in a pocket or laptop bag. The drive is also built with durable materials that protect it from everyday wear and tear, so you don't have to worry about accidental drops or bumps damaging your data. This is especially useful for users who travel frequently and need a reliable storage solution that can keep up with their on-the-go lifestyle. In terms of compatibility, the SSD Portable SSD supports USB 3.1, which is backward compatible with USB 3.0 and 2.0, ensuring it works with a wide range of devices. Whether you're using it with a laptop, desktop, or even some tablets and smartphones, this SSD is versatile and easy to set up. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.